It is time. We've been working on our Autodesk Inventor. Now we're giving it real application. Taking a creation, our problem was to create a unique 3D game piece and then take it and send it to be printed. It's been challenging. However, sixth graders are doing a fabulous job with this project. Here is one of the batches of 3D game pieces that are printing on our 3D printer. Students will get it back and then test it in the tray and finish it out with their presentation on why theirs is the one that the game manufacturer should purchase.
Okay, so I came up with some problems that I had, and I drew 4 different versions of a game piece with different designs on them, and I chose the one I liked the best. Then I used Autodesk Inventor to create and cut the pieces into the... So I have a C and a 4, they stand for Connect 4. And I have just 2 circles that they're kind of like eyes a little bit, and I have squares in the middle going down. 3 squares going down the center of everything.
This is my design. What's special about it is that it has my last name on it, which it also has the day I was born, including the month, the day, and the year. What was challenging with it is because I had to find the right size font for the letters and numbers. Otherwise, the letters would have filled in when they printed, and the correct dimensions, so it wouldn't be too big when it printed.
I'm making a Connect 4 game piece for engineering exploration today, and I'm trying to insert an image from my drive to make it kind of look like an Xbox logo. So it's basically just a Connect 4 game piece with just a logo in the middle.
My game piece is Mickey ears because it represents my favorite vacation that I went on, which was Disney World with my family.
So I forgot to hit the 2 on the keyboard, first of all, when I was making it the size for the circle. So now we're just going to call it a jumbo game piece, and I tried to make a Minecraft store, but I got bored.
So this is my Connect 4 game piece. It is a Frenchie that I used using shapes in Autodesk Inventor. It took me quite a while and I had to go to a few fluxes, but I think it looks pretty good in the end.
Okay, this is my game piece. It was really hard to make because I had to try to make a basketball and then it didn't work, so I kept trying. And then I just put like my name and then my basketball number, so I could still have something basketball in it.
Hi, my name is Nancy, and this is my game piece. And something cool about it is that it has my volleyball number on it, and it says volley. And something that was challenging was trying not to get the words to be so small so they would like squish in together when they were printing. So yeah.
So what's cool about it is it's really bad, but on purpose. And the challenging part of it was I gave up on 3 other designs and chose this one because it was easier.
Well, it was kind of challenging to get the circle to work because it wouldn't like extrude in. And this is supposed to be a hockey puck, and it says Edina on the side. And yeah, my game piece.
My game piece is it's a game piece. It was hard because you had to get the dimensions right, otherwise you couldn't print it. And yeah, dimensioning was hard.
So basically what makes my game piece so cool is that like you can have your name and then Connect 4 game piece. And it was really hard because we had to do the right dimensioning stuff. Yeah, so best game piece to play the game with.
Hi, I'm Sam, and what makes my game piece so cool is that it has designs in it.
And what was challenging about it was that many designs that I tried to put into it just simply didn't work, and so I had to create a whole new design after getting my sketches approved by Mr. Dahl.
My name's Griffin Zosel. I'm in 7B, and this is my game piece. It's a little dog, if you can't tell. And nothing was really that challenging to me. The hardest part probably was just like getting Mr. Dahl to approve the designs. Thank you.
So my name is Sarah, and this is my game piece. It's a heart with my name on top because we had to put our name. And the most challenging part was making the heart, because I was supposed to do another design, and then that didn't work, so I had to do another design. I had to think of it in less than a day because I knew it took me so long to do. And so then that was the most challenging part, to make the design and think of it.
My game piece is cool. One, because it has this cool design, and also I made it. So, challenging because it was kind of hard because we had to sketch it and it had to be very detailed, or else he'd send us back. So it was kind of hard to get everything in the right dimension, and yeah.
Okay, my game piece is a B, because my parents and everyone in my family calls me Lily B because my middle name is Belle, so it's like Lily, like first initial B. So it's really special to me.
Test it.
So I put my initials and my hockey number on here because I play hockey, and yeah. And then the most challenging part was probably getting the dimensions right and putting the text in the right spot. And that's it.
So my Connect 4 game piece is supposed to be the iTunes logo, but it didn't really turn out like that. It just turned out as like a music note. I thought the most challenging part was probably the dimensions, because I don't want to have it too big and then not be able to fit in the Connect 4 thing.
So here we have the best game piece out there. This is a game piece designed by yours truly, Davis Donner. It is special to me because the eyes of this smiley face are my initials. I filletted the edges to make sure it won't damage your table when you drop the pieces. It was fun to work on.
There's gonna be a maple leaf here, and an eagle here, and down here is gonna be my name.
I'm kind of weird, so I made a kind of creepy looking robot, and it's kind of cool. It was a really fun unit, and I really enjoyed making it.
Why did you pick that?
Because I'm weird.
That fits.
It's a thing from a TV show I used to watch.
It's called Naruto.
It's like an eye.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
So I created my nickname in hockey, Diener, and then my hockey number, just because the season was winding down, and it's just kind of cool that I just thought it would be cool to make this game piece, and it actually turned out pretty well. So the most challenging part was probably getting it saved as in a copy and then getting it on Schoology. That was just it was just a bunch of work and going around and around, so it just kind of made it difficult.